He and he surely shook with pride. He checked on his equipment and made sure his pack was tight. He had to sit and listen to those awful engines roar. You ain't gonna jump no more. Glory, glory, what a hell of a way to die. Glory, glory, what a hell of a way to die. Glory, glory, what a hell of a way to die. He ain't gonna jump no more.
The sentry kit is available.
There! Enemy bomber!
Everybody happy, quiet, the sergeant looking down. Or he will be the answer, yes, and then they stood him
Up there!
He jumped into the icy glass, ecstatic, wide and poor. And he ain't gonna jump no more. Glory, glory, what a hell of a way to die. Glory, glory, what a hell of a way to die. Glory, glory, what a hell of a way to die. He ain't gonna jump no more. Zoom, zoom, zoom. He counted long, he waited for the shock. He felt the wind, he felt the cold, he felt the awful drop. Some of his reserves went out and wrapped around his legs. And he ain't gonna jump no more. Glory, glory, what a hell of a way to die. Glory, glory, what a hell of a way to die. Glory, glory, what a hell of a way to die. He ain't gonna jump no more. The riders walk around his neck, the necklace cracked his door. Suspended lines were tied and knots around his skinny bones. The canopy became his shroud, he hurtled to the ground. And he ain't gonna jump no more. Glory, glory, what a hell of a way to die. Glory, glory, what a hell of a way to die. Glory, glory, what a hell of a way to die. He ain't gonna jump no more.
Losing objective butter.
But lazy and laugh kept running through his mind. He thought about the girl back home, the one he left behind. He thought about the medicals and wondered what they'd find. And he ain't gonna jump